Hello folks, this is BKinnison over here at BISH'S RV in Meridian. Behind me I have a 2022 Heartland North Trail 26 DBS. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. Let's go take a look inside. Alrighty folks, starting in the front of this trailer we have a nice big king-size bed in the master here. Gonna have storage on both sides of the bed as well as those USB ports. You're also gonna have a nice big wardrobe on the right hand side of the bed here. Alrighty guys, one of my favorite things about this coach is going to be all the counter space. You have plenty of room to prepare that food, set pans and all that stuff while you're cooking, as well as those butcher block countertops, so it just really add to the aesthetic in here. Again, all my North Trails are going to have that nice big one-piece stainless steel sink. I really appreciate that. It just allows you to get a little more down and dirty with what you're doing. Lots and lots of storage on this coach. You're going to have storage over the entire kitchen as well as underneath. Adding to that storage, this entire U-shaped dinette is going to be storage as well. They even lower that fridge down a little bit to give you some room to put a couple cans or boxes or anything like that that's not going to slide around too much. This dinette does drop into a bed and these cushions are reversible. So you have the white color on one side and the black on the other. You can kind of change up the aesthetic in here a little bit. On this side of our coach is going to be our entertainment center. Nice big TV right front and center right there, as well as that fireplace. Now that fireplace does put out a lot of heat. It'll warm up this coach very well. You even have a little hidden storage right here. You can put your games, your movies, something that you're not really too concerned about getting to a whole lot can go right there. Alright guys, now this door is super cool. So this is a two-piece door right here. You open this up right into the bunk room. You have one bunk on the bottom and then one more bunk up top. You can drop this bunk down, it folds flat, or you can put it up here to have a little more storage or headroom. On this side, mount for your TV, as well as just a little bit more storage. There isn't a door on here, so you can't really stack stuff in here, but you could set a DVD player or something in here for the kids while you guys are camping. Alrighty folks, and even under this bed right here, you have even more storage in here. The kids can put their bags in here, you can put extra blankets in here, just keeps everything nice and tight out of the way. Let's take a look in the bathroom. Alright, now that we're in the bathroom, you can see this nice big shower. I'm a relatively tall person, I'm 6'2", and I can fit in this shower absolutely no problem. You also have the retractable shower door. I think that's a super handy idea. You don't have that shower curtain that's constantly flopping around and getting dirty. Just tucks right back in there. Little bit of storage right here, those extra shampoo bottles, soap, anything like that. The toilet, something nobody talks about, but we're going to get kind of nasty with the toilet real quick. The way they position it allows you to put your knees in here, you not have your knees to your chest, super comfortable, can still move around, all that good stuff. Medicine cabinet, and then your sink in here as well. Alrighty folks, one more awesome thing is this closet right here. Just a massive, massive closet. You can use this as a pantry, coat closet, you can put your hiking bags in there, all kinds of stuff, just keeps it nice and out of the way. Let's take a look outside. Now that we're outside the coach, we'll look at our storage. All of my North Trails are going to have this giant King Kong storage here. This is just a massive storage compartment. Again, as I've mentioned in all my other videos, the possibilities with this are endless. You can fit virtually anything you want in here. Always going to have our electric stabilizer jacks as well as our electric awning with the accent lights underneath. Another standard features is the solid steps. Again, just getting in and out. There's not going to be any of that sway rocking the trailer back and forth, just nice and solid steps walking in. Your outside shower and city water connection are on the back of this coach. It's kind of nice and easy to access. Most of your campsites, it's going to be near the back of you anyway. Now you're not having to dig underneath the slide or anything like that. They can put a much bigger slide in there, and you don't have to be trying to crawl underneath of them. The rest of your outlets are going to be right here for your power. Just plugs in right there. Super easy. Nice big slide on this. Just gives you a massive amount of space inside. The back side, your pass-through storage. Again, just a tremendous amount of space on this coach. And that is our 2022 Heartland North Trail 26 DBS. Thank you guys again.